Alright guys, we're going to do a little preventative maintenance. We're going to dielectric grease our electrical connections. So come down here on the side if you have an Altair or XR. Remove these two pins. There's a screw here. There are plastic clips along up here. There's a clip holding the shifter handle. Pop this off. And then the back's going to pop up a little. And then this whole panel can come off. Then we're getting all here in the electrical connections. You start one by one, unplugging them, sticking some dielectric grease on, and plugging them back together. And once you've got everything back together, button it back up and you're ready to ride again. Just gives you a little preventative maintenance against water getting in your electrical. Hope that helps. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one.